Hey friend, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase the size and enlarge the size image size using AI for free. Yes, you can do it using a third party website. For it you need to open any of the browser over any of your devices. For example, if I open the Chrome browser over my Windows desktop, now here I need to search for the big JPG. Once I do that, you can see a first website which is bigjpg.com. Just simply open this website, and once you do that, let it get load right in front of you. Once it gets load, it will ask you to upload a picture from your device. You can see this option which is select images. Just simply tap over there and select the image you want to enlarge. You can see you can if your image is already over large, it will warn you. For example, if I open this image now, you want to enlarge this image, just simply hit start, and you can see by the size you want to enlarge the image. And once I do that, just simply hit OK, and the size of this particular image will be uh, increased using AI. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.